The Tesla Model Y keycard serves as a reliable backup to your phone key. This video will guide you through activating, pairing, enabling, and testing your keycard. Keycards utilize NFC, near-field communication, for seamless access, acting as a physical backup when your phone is unavailable or experiences connectivity issues. The Model Y keycard system remains a reliable backup to phone-based keys and key fobs, leveraging NFC, near-field communication technology for seamless access. The keycard system involves several essential components. First is the NFC reader, located near the driver's side B-pillar or center console in your Model Y. Next, your Tesla account plays a crucial role in the pairing process, as the keycard is linked to your account for secure authentication. The keycard itself is a compact, credit card-sized device that uses NFC technology for proximity-based access. For the pairing process to work, ensure your Model Y is unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular for account syncing. Finally, always use a genuine Tesla keycard purchased from Tesla or an authorized seller. Cheap clones can introduce serious security risks and should be avoided. On your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Locks, then Keycard, and select Add Keycard. Follow the on-screen prompts, which may include authenticating with your Tesla account password or biometric verification if enabled. This process securely registers the card's unique ID with the vehicle's ECU or electronic control unit. When prompted on the touchscreen, tap the keycard on the NFC reader. The pairing process typically takes 10 to 30 seconds. Position the keycard close to the NFC reader location, typically found near the driver's side B-pillar or center console in the Model Y. Once tapped, the vehicle begins the pairing process. This involves an encrypted communication between the keycard's NFC chip and the vehicle's systems. A green checkmark will confirm successful pairing on the screen. This indicates the encrypted handshake has completed. This encrypted handshake registers the card's unique ID with the vehicle's ECU, or electronic control unit, ensuring secure and authenticated access. If you encounter issues with your keycard, such as the card not being recognized, start by trying a simple reboot of your vehicle. Hold the brake pedal while pressing the power button to power cycle the car completely. Next, ensure your Tesla software is up to date, as outdated firmware can interfere with keycard functionality. Navigate to Controls, then Software, to check for and install any available updates. A common pitfall is forgetting to sync your keycard after a software update. This can cause temporary card not recognized errors. Make sure to repair the card if needed after any major update. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact Tesla support for assistance. You can reach them through the Tesla app or by visiting a service center. Keycard security is paramount for protecting your Tesla Model Y. Your keycard does not store your PIN or any personal authentication data. Instead, all verification happens securely through Tesla's cloud-based system, ensuring your information remains protected even if the card is lost or stolen. To prevent unauthorized access, always keep your keycard in a secure location. Treat it like a valuable physical key. Store it safely and avoid leaving it unattended in public areas. This physical security complements the digital protections built into the system. The pairing process is designed as a one-time setup that securely links your card to your vehicle and Tesla account. However, if needed, you can easily unpair the card and remap it through the vehicle's touchscreen or Tesla app, providing flexibility while maintaining security. Tesla has implemented significant security enhancements since 2024. Pairing now requires mandatory two-factor authentication to verify your identity. Additionally, the NFC chips in key cards use advanced AES-256 encryption, making them highly resistant to cloning or unauthorized duplication.